Hello everyone, my name is Tina Pehi, and this presentation will help you to download your books from Book Creator and insert it to Google Sites. Alright, so I'm gonna teach you how you could save your books from Book Creator as a PDF file, okay? So when you have your book open, if you're done editing, I'm gonna need you to look for this sharing icon. It's like a less than sign. So click on that and then click on print. Although we're not really gonna be printing, this is now your book saved as PDF. You're gonna be seeing three icons on the topmost right. So one is rotate, one is download, one is print. You can click on the download icon, the arrow going down, and save your book. There you have it. Then you can add it on to your site. Once you have downloaded your book onto your desktop, you're gonna have to upload it into your English folder on Google Drive. Next, once it's there, you're gonna have to go to your portfolio. So you're gonna have to type in sites.google.com/new. And then you need to find your e-portfolio and then open up your English page. On the right side, you're gonna have to click on Insert and then look for Drive. I prefer searching on my Recent tab if I just uploaded my file. So then it's easy for me to look for the PDF that I just uploaded. Once you found it, then you can click on Insert and then you will see it inserted on your site. You may stretch it on the corner so that it will feel more of a page. Maybe stretch it until you can see 2 pages of your book. Not more than that, because that up arrow, both on the left and right, will allow you to open it in a new tab. So then you will be able to see the entire book. Don't forget to publish your site after editing, alright? I hope that you find this presentation useful. Let me know if you need my help with Book Creator, okay? Air hugs everybody, stay safe.